How Lay's chips are made. Every day, millions of bags of Lay's chips are produced inside modern factories like this one. Behind these walls, advanced technology and strict quality control work together seamlessly. Skilled workers and automated systems ensure smooth and efficient production. The process begins with a simple but essential ingredient: fresh potatoes. What seems like a simple snack is the result of a carefully engineered process. Fresh potatoes arrive at the factory directly from selected farms. Each load is carefully unloaded and prepared for inspection. Damaged or unsuitable potatoes are removed immediately. High-tech sensors and cameras detect defects the human eye cannot see. Only approved potatoes continue deeper into the production line. The potatoes now enter large industrial washing systems. High-pressure water removes dirt and surface impurities. Gentle movement protects the potatoes from damage. Steam and water ensure deep and effective cleaning. Clean potatoes are now ready for slicing. High-speed machines slice each potato with extreme precision. Uniform thickness is critical for even frying. The slices are rinsed again to remove excess starch. This step prevents chips from sticking or burning. The slices move smoothly toward the frying stage. Now comes the most important transformation. Potato slices enter massive fryers filled with hot oil. As moisture escapes, the chips begin to crisp. Careful temperature control ensures perfect color and texture. Golden chips rise from the oil, full of crunch and flavor. Excess oil is removed using vibration and airflow systems. Cooling allows the chips to stabilize before seasoning. This step prepares the surface for flavor application. Temperature and timing are precisely controlled. Now the chips are ready for seasoning. Chips enter rotating seasoning drums. Exact amounts of flavor are evenly distributed. Every rotation ensures consistent taste. From classic salt to bold spices, each flavor is carefully balanced. This process guarantees the same taste in every bag. Seasoned chips move toward high-speed packaging lines. Iconic Lay's bags are formed, filled, and sealed automatically. Nitrogen gas replaces air to keep chips fresh and crispy. Each bag is weighed and checked for accuracy. Any bag that fails inspection is removed. Quality control teams inspect samples from every batch. Texture, flavor, and appearance are carefully evaluated. Packaging strength and sealing are also tested. Only approved products move forward. This ensures safety and consistency for consumers. Finished bags are packed into branded cartons. Forklifts transport cartons to the loading area. Trucks are loaded for regional and global distribution. From factory to store shelves, the journey continues. Each bag carries the same quality promise. This entire process runs continuously, day and night. Automation and human expertise work together. Precision ensures efficiency at every step. Technology helps maintain global standards, all for one perfect crunch. Millions of bags are produced every single day. Each one sealed to preserve freshness. Quality checks protect consumer trust. Distribution connects factories to homes worldwide. And that's how Lay's chips are made, from farm-fresh potatoes to the perfect crunch.